Which of the following statements best explains why the first IE of argon is higher than that of sulfur? Right, so if you look at the periodic table, you know that in the same period, right, after sulfur, it will be chlorine, then argon, right? Sulfur, chlorine, then argon, right? So when you look at IE, right, you have to look at nuclear charge and shielding effect. Okay, so nuclear charge and shielding effect actually helps to explain IE. So the answer for this question is actually C. I mean, some of you might be thinking, argon has a complete octet while sulfur does not. Okay, having a complete octet is just an observation. So normally those noble gases have a complete octet, which means they are actually quite stable, but that doesn't explain why the first IE is higher. So the first IE must still be explained based on nuclear charge and shielding effect. All right. So as you go across the period, as you can see from sulfur to argon, the nuclear charge actually increases, right? And the shielding effect, okay, nuclear charge increase of course because there are more and more protons. Shielding effect is approximately constant, right? Approximately constant, which means there's a increase in effective nuclear charge, right? There's an increase in effective nuclear charge. Electrons are the valence electrons are drawn more closely to the nucleus. It requires more energy to remove the valence electron. That's why the first IE or argon is definitely higher than that of sulfur. All right. So the best answer is still C. Right, C.